Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Electronics. In today's video, we are going to be blinking LEDs. The first one is we are going to be blinking the built-in LED on the Arduino Uno board, and the second one is we are going to use one of these digital pins to blink an external LED on the using this board. So this is the great beginner project to understand how digital outputs work in Arduino. Without wasting your time, let's just get to it. So let's look at the requirements of this video. So for the requirements, you need an Arduino development board with USB cable, you need an Arduino IDE, you need knowledge about C++ programming language, you need a breadboard, you need 220 ohm resistor, and you need an LED. Okay, now let's get to the code. First, we want to blink the LED built-in. So to blink the LED built-in, this is the code. So first, we have to define our pin. So it's pin mode, and we are using LED built-in, and we have to define, is it an output or an input? It's an output, so output. And out of that we go to void loop. In this void loop, this is where we write the code so that we turn on the LED and delay for some time, turn off the LED, delay for some time, and then turn on the LED, and the process will continue doing repeatedly. So now let's write the code as digital write LED built-in. We want to turn it on so it's high, and let's terminate this, and we put some delay. Let's delay for 2 seconds so it's 2000, and then we want to turn off the LED. So to turn off the LED, let me just copy and paste this. We'll change this high to low and put another delay for 2000 is 2 seconds. So with this, I think we are done. Now let's go and select our board and port. So we go to select other boards, and I'm using an Arduino min, so min, and I'll select my port and click OK. Then I'll upload. So as you can see, this LED is now blinking. This is the built-in LED. So let's just change time so that we can see the effect. Let's change it to 1 second. 1, and let's upload. Okay, now as you can see, it's now blinking a little bit fast. So let's get to the external LED and see. Okay, for the external LED, first we have to define the pin. So let's go and define the pin, digital pin we are going to be using. So hash define. We are going to be using, let's say, give a name to the pin LED1. We have 13 pins, and we can't use pin number 13 because it's the one that uses the built-in LED. So let's use pin number 8. So let's say LED, we say hash define LED8, and here we have to define, is it an input or an output? So it's, let me copy and paste this LED. We have to change this to LED1. So we have now defined our LED1 as an output. So we have to switch the LED1 on and off, just like we were doing with the built-in. So it's digital write, and here we say LED1 high. So we are turning on LED1 high, and we are turning on the built-in LED1 at the same time. And here it's control, and it's LED1 low. So we have to turn it low, and we've changed this LED to LED1 low. And just like this code will turn on the built-in LED at the same blinking the external LED. So with this code, let's upload to the board, the upload button. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's the circuit. So as you can see, I've connected pin number 8 of the Arduino to the anode of the LED, and the cathode I've connected to the resistor, and the resistor I've connected to the ground. So this is how we are going to connect the external LED. Let's plug in our board and see. So as you can see, the built-in LED is blinking, and the LED is now blinking. They are blinking at the same time. Okay, my question is, what if we want to change the delay time? What do? Do we have to come here? Yes, we have to come here and change this time. But what if we've wrote a code of around 1000 lines and we've put around 50 delays in it? Do we have to go each line where there is a delay and update it? So what is the solution to do it? How can we do it a little bit faster? Okay, I got a solution. So what you have to do is here, you have to put in a variable that you can just update and update the delay times. So as for me, I want to use an integer, so I will int, and we have to come up with a variable name. Let's just say delay time, and assign a value to it. Let's say I want it to be 500, so it means half a second. So what I have to do is to come to this delay and say, so I'll use this delay time. So I just control copy and paste it here, remove the sequence, and come to this delay 2, control V, and let's remove this 2000. So what I've done here, I can simply just come here and update this number, and I've updated all the delay times. So let me upload and see if there's a change or no change. Okay, I think I'm getting a change. As you can see, the LEDs are blinking a little bit fast. Okay, let me change it to around 200 and see. I just changed this line. I changed from 500 to 200, and yes, I've changed the delay time. So let's see. Okay, let me in the upload button. Okay, I think I've done it. It's now blinking a little bit faster than it was. So this is the how you can blink an LED. Yes, and that's how you blink an LED using an Arduino. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting electronics projects. Let me know in the comment section what project you would want to see next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.